Hello guys, my name is Annie. I hope you all have a great day so far. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I'm doing DIY fashion. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to see new video every Thursday. In video today, I'll be sharing with you all how I sew square shirt and short. This casually just sets is perfect for working at home or hanging out. They are so cool and comfy, especially it's really simple and quick to sew. Now let me show you the easy way to do. Okay, let's get started. I picked up 2.5 meter to fit leather felt fabric in white. The fabric is not too thick, it's really smooth at the right side, and the wrong side look like the R's. First, I'm starting out to sew sweatshirts. Like always, I use my own jumper to trace and draw pattern. Then I got a half up front and a half up back and sleeve. Please adjust the length and width of body and sleeves as you like. From this pattern, I'll cut fabrics. Starting connect front and back at the shoulder by serging machine. I also use overlock machine with 2 needles and 4 threads through this video. Next, I'll pin sleeve into the armhole and sew them together. Then, I'll pin the armpit together and sew both sides, and tie a sleeve and sew down the body of square shirt. Now it's time to make a waistband of square shirt and cut of the sleeves. I'm going to cut one panel with 82 cm length and 16 cm width to make the waistband, and 2 panels with 17 cm length and 12 cm width to make the cuff. Now I'll connect the end of each panel, then fold each panel in half. Next, pin the waistband into the bottom of the body and the skirt into the end of sleeves and sew them together. Last step, I use another fabric which is super stretchy to make the border of the neckline. I'm going to measure the length of the neckline first, then I'll cut the fabric less than 2 cm and also connect the end of this panel. Next, pin it into the neckline and sew them together to finish the square shirt. Moving on to square short, I also use my own square pen to trace and draw pattern. Please adjust the length of short as you like. I also cut 2 front pockets and 1 back pocket. First, I'm going to pin front pocket into front pieces and sew them together. I also pin the back pocket into the right back pieces and sew them together. Then I align front and back and sew them together along the outer side. Now I'm going to connect both leg panels along the crop curve. Then I place the middle seam on top of each other and sew along the inner sides and crook. This is what the sock looking like. Next, I cut 2 panels with 40 cm length and 12 cm width and connect them together. After that, I cut some elastic to fit around my waist. I also connect the end of the elastic. Now, I fold the fabric in half and put the elastic inside and sew them together. When I got the waistband, I pin it into the short and sew them together. Lastly, I fold the bottom of the sock, double tie outside and stitching them in 4 positions. Okay, I'm done. Let's see the final result. These dresses are the most comfy things ever. Hope you enjoyed my tutorial and see you next week. Bye!